अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। सो हमने अब तक देखा है वी हैव सीन इन दिस पोएम दैट द राइटर द पोएट इज़ टेलिंग यू अबाउट दैट वी हैव सीन this much. I will summarize for you, or I will repeat it once. Afoot and light-hearted I take to the open road, healthy free the world before me, the long brown path before me, leading wherever I choose. See what the poet is telling you, that the poet is going into the road which is very open with a light heart. Means now he is not carrying any burden on his heart. His heart is very light hearted. His heart is very light now. He is not carrying any burden. So the world is very free and healthy before him. And he is telling you the long brown path before me means the road which is in front of him is going wherever I choose. That means he can go wherever he wants to go, because he is very light hearted now. He is not carrying anything in his heart. He is free to go, he is free to move anywhere. Henceforth I ask not good fortune, I myself am good fortune. He is not depending to be a good fortune person. उसको किस्मत अच्छी हो जाए इसके लिए नहीं है. वो बोल रहा है कि I am myself good fortune. वो बोल रहा है पोएट कि मैं खुद एक खुशकिस्मत इंसान हूँ, ना कि वो बोल रहा है कि मैं इंसान के मतलब मैं वेट करता हूँ अपना नसीब अच्छा होने का. Now we will see from here. Henceforth I ask not good fortune. Henceforth I whimper no more, postpone no more, need nothing. Now see, we will see line to line. I will explain you. The writer is telling you, the poet is telling you, Walt Whitman is telling you that henceforth I whimper no more. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? I whimper no more. You can see here the meaning of whimper is make a series of low, weak, sad cries, especially with fear and pain. जब हम fear और pain में जो cries करते हैं, जो रोते की आवाज़ आती है, henceforth I whimper no more. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? I don't cry now. I don't cry. Instead of crying, what I do? आई डोंट पोस्टपोन एनीथिंग कि मैं वो कल कर लूँगा, आज क्या है, मैं वो कल देख लूँगा, अभी इतनी क्या गड़बड़ है, वो भी मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. आई डोंट पोस्टपोन नो मोर, नीड नथिंग. ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है जो मुझे अब नहीं चाहिए. नीड नथिंग. आई डोंट नीड एनीथिंग राइट नाउ. आई डोंट क्राई राइट नाउ. आई डोंट पोस्टपोन एनीथिंग राइट नाउ. दैट मीन्स द पोएट इज गिविंग यू और टेलिंग यू दैट कॉन्फिडेंस ही इज गेटिंग. Now next, see, done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticisms. Now, see, the poet is telling you, done with indoor complaints. Instead of telling to ourselves what we do, we complain to others that this is my life, I am not getting what I would deserve. मुझे ऐसा ही मिला, वैसे ही मिला, मुझे घर चाहिए था, मुझे बंगला चाहिए था, मुझे कार चाहिए था, मेरे मम्मी डैडी ऐसे ही है, मुझे और अच्छे मम्मी डैडी चाहिए थे. यस, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू थिंक मेरी मम्मी ऐसी ही है, सबकी मम्मी कितनी अच्छी होती है. दीज आर दी कॉमन कंप्लेंट्स विच वी डू. So these are indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticism. Querulous means complain, always complaining. ये ऐसे ही हुआ, वैसे ही हुआ, मेरा स्टडी रूम नहीं है, मेरे पास स्टडी टेबल नहीं है पढ़ाई करने के लिए. These are the small complaints which you make at home also. So what the writer is telling you, I'm done with it now. I don't complain anymore right now. I don't complain. Which kind of complaints? I don't complain, I don't quarrel, or I don't criticize others. This is very important. I don't criticize others. So what the poet became now, he became strong and contained. I travel the open road. The poet is now strong and contained. See, strong, हिम्मत वाला हो गया है, बहादुर हो गया है, strong, courageous, and contained. Contained means satisfied. The poet is now satisfied. And what he is doing now, he is traveling. Where he is traveling? To the open road. The earth that is sufficient. Earth कैसी हो गई है? That is sufficient for the writer, for the poet. Instead of criticizing, instead of fighting with others, the earth is sufficient for me. I will move towards the earth, to anywhere, wherever I want to move. So next, the poet is telling you, I don't want the constellations any nearer. Now, see, these are very important. The poet is telling you that I don't want the constellations. Constellations means the things, the people who are dependent on stars. कि आज मेरे चांद सितारे जो होते हैं वो गर्दिश में हैं, आप जो बोलते हैं. आई डोंट वांट द कंस्टलेशंस एनी नियरर. मेरे करीब भी ना आए कंस्टलेशंस, जो मुझे बताएं, जो मुस्तकबिल बताते हैं, जो फ्यूचर बताते हैं, वो मेरे करीब भी ना आए ऐसे लोग. आई नो दे आर वेरी वेल वेयर दे आर. वो जहाँ हैं. दे मीन्स द राइटर इज टेलिंग यू दे मीन्स दोज हु टेल द फ्यूचर. constellations, those people who tell you the futures. I don't want to know them. They are very well where they are. वो जहाँ हैं वहीं रहे, मेरे करीब ना आए, मुझे ना बताएं मेरा फ्यूचर क्या है. I know they suffice for those who belong to them. वो क्या करते हैं? I know they suffice for those who belong to them. किसको बेवकूफ़ बनाते हैं? Make idiots. जो उनके आसपास लोग होते हैं उनको क्या बोलकर बेवकूफ़ बनाते हैं? आज तुम्हारा ये दिन अच्छा नहीं जाएगा, कल तुम्हारा वो दिन अच्छा नहीं जाएगा, बिकॉज दे टेल यू फ्यूचर ऑलवेज. So these people are the idiots, those who are dependent on the stars. Still here I carry my old delicious burdens. I carry them, men and women, I carry them with me wherever I go. Now see, the poet is telling you, still here I carry my old delicious burdens. Old delicious burdens, these, the writer means the mistakes which we do in our might be in our past, which we have done. I still carry them with myself. Old delicious burdens. Old means the burdens or the mistakes which we have done in our past. Delicious, they are very good. Why they are very good? Because they taught you something. Your mistakes taught you that it should not be repeated again and again. Yes, I will give you one example of it. It is a small example, but I will give you how it is applicable to anyone. If you have anyone baby at home and you are drinking a cup of tea, suddenly he comes and if you give him the baby the sip from the cup, suddenly he feel that it is very hot. And after 2 or 3 days again if you give him, or her or him, so what he or she will do? She will not do it. She will think, or he will think before doing it. That means the past experience, what he or she got, it is the knowledge they will apply. So the same is the thing with the elders also. We will do mistakes, but we will not repeat it again and again in our life. So the same is with the poet. The old delicious burdens, because these burdens are carried by the poet and they are very delicious because they taught us a lesson. I carry them, men and women, I carry them. Now see, the poet is insisting us, I carry them again and again. He is telling you, I carry them, men and women. Here men and women means आप और हम, देवी और सज्जनों बोलते हैं ना, like that. आप और हम, वो बोल रहे हैं, आप पोएट आपको बोल रहा है, them with me wherever I go. The burdens, them means what? The burdens, the delicious burdens of the old memories or mistakes. I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. What the poet is telling you, I swear it is impossible. पोएट बड़ा कसम से उन एक्सपीरियंसेस को जो आप लाइफ में अपने ले चुके हैं पास्ट में, उनसे क्या होना, टू गेट रिड ऑफ, उनको एकदम से भूल जाना. इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल. It is not at all possible to forget everything. It is not possible. I am filled with them and I will fill them in return. Now see, the writer is, the poet is telling you that whatever my experiences are, I am filled with them. मेरे जो एक्सपीरियंसेस है मैं पूरा उससे सीख चुका हूँ, मैंने उसको समझ लिया है. एंड आई विल फिल देम इन रिटर्न, और मैं भी उनको क्या करूँगा, उनसे सीख लूँगा और उनको बताऊँगा. मैं उनसे भागूँगा नहीं. आई विल नॉट रन अवे फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंसेस. Getting this poem, if you have any questions regarding this poem, you can ask questions on my personal WhatsApp window. Send, okay, any questions if you have any questions. And I hope you have done the 2 chapters backbook exercise, and I will send you the backbook exercise of this poem also. You need to complete at home. Kindly do it, and if you have any questions regarding this poem, please send on my WhatsApp window.